Welcome to our Website Builder Site Starter Guide, the easiest and fastest way to create a great-looking website for your business. Today we'll be looking at blocks, how to add and manage them to quickly build your website layout. Your web page is divided into sections called blocks. Instead of adding content one element at a time, you can work with blocks. View the blocks library by clicking Build, then Block. Hover over a category to view the ready-made layouts. To add a block, drag and drop before or after an existing block on your page. Everything inside your block is customizable. Hover your cursor over the block to access settings. Click Layout to set the number of columns and alignment. Click Background. Here, you can add a photo and adjust its overlay color and opacity. Remove the photo if you want to use a solid color as a background. Videos can also be used as block backgrounds by adding the video URL here. Slider backgrounds are a great way to spice up your page. Click Slider, then add or remove slides. Change the background for each slider here. Other editing options can be found by clicking Edit or Edit Slider. If you're working on a contact page, you can have your block display a map. Go to Background, click Map, then click Edit Map. The Move icon allows you to reorganize the blocks on your page. You also have the option to duplicate or delete a block. Congratulations! You've just built your website using blocks.